Everyone, today we are going to talk about another website for internship. So this will be, you can use it even if you're a student, even if you are a working professional. If you wanted to find a job based on the internship, so you can definitely watch. If you haven't subscribed to my channel Goms Tech Talks, please go and subscribe now. And here you can find an excellent playlist called Skill App, where I will be updating this skill app every week, where the videos will be on free courses, internships, job offers and everything, so job opportunities and everything. So this is the complete playlist you can see. Okay, I will be posting the videos, uploading the videos on various aspects, so please keep an eye on this. Okay, and this is my Topment account. If you want to schedule a call with me, if you have any doubts, okay, interview preparation doubts or mock interview, if you want me to conduct a mock interview, a resume review, if you want me to review your resume, 1:1 mentorship, so you can just book the call. The link is in the description, you can see that. So let us see. This is the website which we are going to discuss today. It's what Indeed, how to search internship in Indeed. Okay, so here once if you click on indeed.com, you can find this page. Just go and type internship first. Okay, so here you can even find the jobs offer or job offers. So here job openings. Okay, so here internship, once if you click internship, you can see few filters here. Okay, so what is that? You can just go and check here date posted, when it is posted, remote. If you are looking for a remote internship, then you can click remote, or else if you are looking for the hybrid internship, then click hybrid. Pay, so what exactly the stipend you are expecting, you can select it here. In the job type, you have to select internship. Apart from this, you have a full-time, fresher jobs, part-time, contract, temporary jobs, everything. So I'm just going to click here internship, and once if you click here internship, you can see various opportunities here, various options available here. This is cybersecurity intern. Okay, so by default, once if you click on any intern, like once if you click on that particular thing, you can see what are all the options available in the internships. Okay, so you can find it here, like join us, inspire with, about this particular internship. You can read the job description. You are being redirected, so you can just click on this apply now, where you can find more about this particular job. Okay, in few options, you can see the complete details. For example, cybersecurity intern, and you can see that this is new, which is posted recently. So you can see it's a remote and 2,000 a month. They are paying you 2,000 per month, and it's a part-time internship, and this is for freshers as well. And the shift schedule, you have morning, day shift, and Monday to Friday you have to work. So it's a work from home shift. Okay, so you can see here this is a work from home, and once if you scroll down, you can see the complete details, like what are the benefits. Okay, and what are the security monitoring analysis, what is your job role, what they are expecting from you. So you have to work 18 hours per week. Okay, and everything. If you want to apply to this job, you have to sign in to Indeed. Okay, so here you have sign in, so you have to sign up either using, if you don't have an account, you have to sign up, give your mail ID and log in, and if you have an account, just sign in to see more about. So here you can see it's a software engineer internship. This is a Java developer intern, and it's a backend developer, Node.js developer, firmware, software engineering internship, startup. Okay, this is, and you can also see if you want based on the education level. For example, you are doing school, like if you are doing in a 12th standard, if you are studying in school, so if you wanted to see like what are the internships which are available for you, so you can click here 10th pass. Okay, so what is the internships which are okay for you, you can just find it. Or else if you were specific about any specific degree, you can just select that as well. So there are various filters which are available for as in this particular thing. And you have industry. So if you are looking for information technology industry or education industry, management and consulting, retail and wholesale, manufacturing, financial services, healthcare, human resource and staffing, telecommunication, non-profit, so you have various industries available here. You can even select that. Or else if you are specifically looking on any particular location state wise, you can also see there, like if you are looking in Maharashtra, you can see there. If you are looking in Karnataka, you can also see there. So if you wanted to go with the remote jobs, you can also, remote internship, you can also select it here. And here you have various companies which are listed out. Okay, so the companies like The companies like what are the companies? TS Project Eagle, NXperts, MTab. So these are all the various companies. They are just showing you here. And the job language, probably it will be English, okay, because of this particular internship. So most probably English is widely recommended. So I recommend you, if any company or any industry is asking you to pay the money to do the internship, please don't go with that, okay. What are the main thing you have to consider? If the company is asking you to pay the money, don't go for that, okay. The second thing you have to do is what? You have to see whether they are providing you any certificate or recommendation letter, okay. You have to cross check with them whether they, after completing the internship, whether they will provide you a certificate or recommendation letter, because if you wanted to add it in your resume, the certificate or recommendation letter will be an added advantage, so they will expect that. The third one which you wanted to check is what, like, what is the mode, whether if it is a remote, if it is a remote job, anywhere, even if you are in a different state, anywhere you can do this. But if they want you to come in person, okay, if it is an offline, they want you to come in person, then you have to take care of what type of state it is, whether you can travel and stay there for this particular internship, everything. The fourth one which you wanted to see, it's for the stipend. What is the money they are giving you? Okay, what is the stipend they are giving you? Okay, so you have to check for this, what is the payment they are giving you per month. So this is another important factor which you have to check. Fifth one is, if it is a remote, like because if you are in a college and if you are doing this internship, so few colleges will allow you for a full-time internship, they will give you 3 months of time, whether you can complete this internship within that particular duration. This too you have to check, because duration, the college will give you only 3 months, but if the internship is for 6 months and this company, whatever the company you are choosing is not recommended by your college, then you have to cross check that as well. And the sixth one is what, the topic which you are choosing should be relevant to your current domain, what you are learning now, because there will be questions like, you cannot opt for a different domain. You can opt, but if it is, you wanted to add it as a points in your semester, okay, if it is a credit points you wanted to add, it should be relevant to your domain expertise. So ensure that it is related to your domain, and it is okay for you to do that. So you can use this Indeed.com website for both jobs and internship. So you can just check for what type of jobs you want and what how you have to apply. We have discussed everything, so try to sign up here using your mail ID. If you have any queries in signing up, or if you have any difficulties to work further with this, so please let me know. Comment your queries. I will definitely help you out, okay. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want anything to discuss with me regarding your internship, your interview, your resume review, everything, so please don't hesitate to schedule a call. I'll meet you soon with another exciting website. Thank you, take care, bye bye.